Good morning folks, Dave Wilding here, Plymouth Pazloads. Got this really new IM350 Plus just come in. Firing pins stuck out. So fan works. Let's have a look. So we take the four main machine screws, bolts, whatever you like to call them, out the back. I've taken the battery out, take the gas out, take the nails out, take the back off. Yeah, I mean, so that filter's alright. It's got a layer of fine dust on it, but nothing really to worry about. Check all the bits. Whoop, there you go, wobbly wobbly. Check all the bits in the storage bin. Ready. Just keeping them in place. Right. Let's get me undo the two little machine screws here that are the depth adjusters. Then loosen off the two machine screws that hold the two parts of the gun together. I'll do that so far. Then that one and that one. Alright, let's have a look. Oh, it looks nearly new. It's oops. Oh, I don't know what's that? A nail with a bent head. I think that there is going to be